Are you done? Your hair still looks crazy. You still got crazy hair. It's crazy. It's crazy. Hey, Rachel. Hey, good morning. It's a bacon kind of morning. I cooked my bacon in the oven, so and it's gonna go. Of course, watch, there's gonna be something in here. Of course there's something in here because I always put things in my oven. Oh goodness, there's a baby. There's a baby. Don't worry, oven's not on. There's baby. And I was about to say baby number 2, but it's not baby number 2. It's 8-year-old number 1. Actually, put it on a second so that the splatter of the grease does not hit. Okay, back up, Brian. Let's close this up. And we're going to cook it at 400. Well, I don't know. I'm just like so weird when it comes to like 400. Let's do 380. And sorry. For my Instant Pot. Oh, I really need this.
Oh my god.
Why is she gonna pull off and start playing Fortnite?
Hashtag my refrigerator is still clean. I did a video where I had to clean this crap out, and I put the little mats in too. It's time for me to come and clean it, but nothing in here is bad. So this is dinner from last night. This is meal that I prepped for my keto eating, and this is salad. There, I bought too much. I knew it was gonna be too much, and I'm hiding cheese. I hide cheese. Anyway, eggs. I just took them all. I got them from BJ's, and I put them all in this little thing that I got from the Dollar Tree. And I feel like it works because you could just grab what you need and not have to pull out the carton. So yeah, that's what I did, and I love it. There's my bacon. Check out the sizzle of it. Oh, look, I'm gonna call it the sizzleation of it all. Check that out. I like making it in the oven. I feel like my house does not smell like bacon as much. I got something on the bottom of my oven already. I just cleaned it. And breakfast is ready. I'm going to be putting it in the microwave because my boys had a sleepover last night, and they are sleeping. My younger ones are already awake, but the babies are asleep. So I wanted to give, here I am, a hot mess. I look better. There we go. Hey, Raven. Okay, so tips on how to keep the cost of feeding a large family down. I think that a lot of people look for like deals in stores. I'm not talking about looking for deals in stores. I'm talking about other tangible things that you can do that you might not think about. One thing is, especially like in the summer, make foods that are going to, you know, like back in the day, like your parents would like make something that would stick to their ribs. Technically that's not really, it's not sticking to your ribs, but I think they were on to something. So basically what I try to do is make food like this instead of cereal. They do have cereal sometimes, and on days when they have cereal, an hour or so later they're like, what's to eat? But if I make things that are hot, pancakes, eggs, things like that, they're not asking me for food an hour later. More like 3 to 4 hours later, or sometimes I have to go remind them they need to eat. So another way that I feed children on a budget quickly also is my griddle, which I'm about to clean in a second. But using that will help making food for a lot of kids very effective and efficient. And if you can get these things on Black Friday for like $10, regular price $20. So that's another tip I have. And those are really basically the tips that I like. Those are the 2 ways that I keep my family fed cheaper. It's basically being smarter with what I'm giving them so that they're not asking for more food later. So also, instead of buying frozen pancakes, buy box and make it, and you can do it quicker by using a griddle, because a lot of the excuses, well, it takes too long to do it. Not if you're doing a griddle. I have 6 children. I have 7 here at the moment, but I can fix all them their pancakes on a griddle in like 15 minutes, basically, all of them. So it helps with time. And if I have leftovers, because sometimes I overdo it, I will freeze them for another day. I do that during the school year also. So those are my little quick tips on how to feed a large family on a budget in the summertime, and on to the rest of the day. Is it good, Rachel? Mangoes and Cheerios. Mangoes and Cheerios.
Where's you too? Where's you?
Is it good? No. No? Ryan, it's your birthday. Go, Ryan. It's your birthday. Go, Ryan. It's your birthday. Go, Ryan. Shoot a cow. Go, Ryan. Shoot a cow.
I'm supposed to go quit shaking it. I'm not shaking crap. So that shakes all shaking.
What?
Oh my god.
Are you still gun? I have no gun.
Make Joshua some protein because, well, some protein snacks, because he keeps asking me to go to the store and buy protein powder for him. And I told him that all he has to do was eat some daggone eggs. And he was making an excuse as to why he cannot make a daggone hard-boiled egg. And I'm like, all you have to do is throw it in the Instant Pot, and it's not hard. You and to him to make eggs in the Instant Pot. All you need to do is put 1 cup of water. See that? 1 cup of water. And then you can put how many that you need of the eggs. So you're gonna put it over here. You're gonna put it on the. It comes with, if you have like a mesh basket, you can use that, or you can just load them up on the Instant Pot. Actually came with a basket, and you can put as many as you want. I also like using making these eggs and putting them in the refrigerator for my kids for snacks too. And instead of them looking for cookies and chips, they'll just go and grab some eggs. And like I said, it's really easy to make. I got all these eggs the other day from BJ's. I was supposed to do a BJ's haul, but I never got around to it. Anyway, so I put top on. You're gonna turn it to the pressurized side. Right, Ryan. And then what you're gonna do, you're gonna pressure cook it for 5 minutes. That's it, 5 minutes. And it'll start. It'll take about 5 minutes for it to come to pressure. You leave it in here for 5 minutes while it's cooking, and then it'll end, and you're going to leave it in here again for another 5 minutes and let it come down off pressure for 5 minutes. At the end of that 5 minutes, you're going to release it. Anywho, alright, so this has been going for 9 minutes, so I'm going to release the rest. Actually, it's actually done. I have to let the rest of the steam come out. I let it come off for pressure. I'm 4 minutes over my time. Usually when I do this, it's like perfect. Like the yolk is like perfect. But we might have some. I didn't see what else on the inside. And yes, see that? It's yellow. You see it? It's yellow. So that is how you cook boiled eggs in an Instant Pot, which is really not a boiled egg because the water wasn't, it's like steaming, I don't know. But they come out perfect. Like, and this one actually went for 9 minutes, as you saw. So it almost actually came totally off pressure by itself. Are you like really close to my face right now? Okay. I get really funny about that. Anyway. Thank you all for watching today. I'm going to end this video right here because as you can hear, my house is a loud mess. I have boys playing Fortnite. I have babies running around. I got to get ready for that time. So thank you so much for watching today. Come back next time to see more videos like this. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And again, thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.